How to invest on Revolut app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your Revolut application. After that, go to the stocks tab. By the way, you can invest either in stocks or crypto. It all depends on you, but make sure to reveal your profits and pay the tax on it accordingly. Otherwise, you might get into the trouble. So open up the stocks tab and just simply click on the option of add money. So without adding money, you won't be able to invest. So add the money, then click on the option of invest. Then browse the stocks that you are interested in and simply open up any particular stock that you are interested in, like Microsoft, Apple, or any stock. Then check out the buy option there. If the market is currently on, you would be able to purchase it at the market price itself. You can also set limit orders and a stop loss. A stop loss is something that if the price goes way down below your limit order, it would just trigger the transaction and stop you from getting any further loss. And this way, you would be able to purchase any desired stock and invest in it. In the similar way, you can invest in crypto as well. So this is how you would be able to invest on Revolut app. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.